What's up, folks? Ram Jetta coming to you from Range Day, XCal, Guns Out TV. We're out here doing our thing. Jetta Man Designs in the building. We've already met Michael. We've already met John Keys. Oh man, Jared from Guns and Gears here. You got John from the Gun Collective is here. We got pictures with all of them. We're gonna post them up shortly. But man, this is exciting. There's a lot of things going out here. There's a lot of innovation. We got my man over here that's got some real good training equipment. And man, I'm just excited to be here. There's so much going on. More information will come. We'll talk to you soon. Talk to you later.